25% device. Okay, so mix it and heat this liquid, and then flush it to the chemistry. Let me show you. First of all, you need an air source, because this air source will help you to push the brusher to this catalytic converter. And here, if you don't want to keep